For each of the following questions, first describe how you would collect data, and second, describe if it would be a sample statistic or a population characteristic. A says, where should the 8th grade class go for its class trip? We could ask all the 8th graders because there aren't too many. And when you ask all of a population, that is considered a population characteristic. B, what is the average number of pets per family for families that live in your town? If we want to collect information about people that live in our town, we might not ask every single family in our town. Maybe we're only going to ask the people that stop at the gas station. And since not every single family is going to stop at that gas station on that particular time that we're there, it would be considered a sample statistic. In C, it says if people tried a new diet, what percentage would have an improvement in cholesterol reading? So we could collect some information from people at the doctor, or from the school nurse, or from maybe a hospital. The people that we do get information from is just going to be a sample of the people on the diet. So this would be a sample statistic. Next up, we have part D, which says, what is the average grade point the average grade point of students who got accepted to a particular state university? So we could ask freshmen entering the campus what their grade was as they came into the university. While we're asking people, we probably won't be able to get to every single freshman on campus, so it will most likely be a sample statistic. What is a typical number of home runs hit in a particular season for Major League Baseball players? The stats of the MLB are pretty well kept. So this would come from examining baseball stats.